So if you're wondering what an IUL is, because you see a lot of people talking about it, I'm going to break it down to you in the simplest form here in the next 60 seconds. So what is an IUL? So this is you over here and you're sitting there with your bag of money. And typically what you're going to do with your money is you're going to run over here and you're going to go put it in the bank. And then what is the bank going to do? Absolutely nothing. They're going to give you a 0.01% or 0.0001% on your money. So you're going to get absolutely no money. And what's the bank going to do? It's going to loan your money out and they're going to make all the money. Alternatively, what you should do is you should take your money and go put it in an IUL, also known as an indexed universal life insurance policy. So your money is protected. It is guaranteed growth and it never loses. Here you'll see an average rate of return of about 6 to 8%. The money is put down into an account and it also is accompanied with the death benefit. So the money is at the same time accompanied with a death benefit. You build 3 different buckets. The money goes into the account value. This is uninterrupted compounding growth, anywhere between 6 to 8%, but a guaranteed floor of 0%. From there, money will dump over. It'll spill into what is known as your cash value bucket. This is tax-free gains. You can leverage this money. It's your own bank account. It can be used for income replacement for retirement. It is your private bank. Accompanied, like we said, with a death benefit. Death benefit is insurance. You get living benefits, critical, terminal, chronic illness, and it's used as collateral to pay back any loans that are pulled from here. That is all.